Hello, I am Be My Guest EXO. I am on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, and Twitter. I also have a Streamlabs donation link. It is all Be My Guest EXO, BEMYGUEST EXO. And I got some goodies from Yodobashi Akiba in Akihabara. Some goodies. And I am using my DJI mic that came with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. At Yodobashi Akiba, I got this adorable Anker Pikachu charger, the 20 watt. It's the USB-C to USB-C. I got it for this little mic actually, so I could charge both my DJI mic on one charger and my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 on another charger at the same time. I also got Anker Nano Power Bank. You can use it for multiple devices, your camera, your phone, whatever you want. Incredible. It's apparently really, really good. I got it to keep my phone charged and my camera, so I'm able to film and take videos and pictures. And my phone usually dies really, really quickly, so this helps with that. And I got the Pikachu. It's like all your charging cable cases you can put in here. I was going to do an unboxing so you guys could see all the wonderful goodies with me. And yes, I'm in leopard print pajamas. I'm about to go meet up with a friend tomorrow. Her name is Sakiko for Evangelon rental cosplay thing. So tomorrow's a big day and I wanted to be able to, film as much content as possible and not have my stuff die. So I got some better things than I had previously. And this is very convenient. So I can store all my charging cables in. I have a lot of devices like an iPad, phone, flip phone, my Osmo Pocket, my mic, maybe a ring light, things of that nature. Anyways, they'll all go in here in this cute Pikachu charging cable case. Look, it's very nice inside. You get a little pocket you can put it all in. It has another one over here too, which is nice. You could store your earphones in there too. Fantastic. Anker. This right here behind me for now. Then I got this Anker power bank for my phone, for my camera, whatever I need to charge, that is on me at the moment. These scissors are so thick, it's pretty crazy. Thick scissors. I'm trying to get it open. I just ripped it. Oops. There we go. I love it. Ooh. What comes? Ooh, okay. Everything's fine. It comes with a case, that's nice. And here's the power bank. Oh, very nice. I can't wait to plug this in and charge it. I have another Pikachu charger, the bigger one, that has 3 ports, USB-A, USB, and USB-C. That's also from Anker. If you guys are curious. I think it's called Anker or Anker, whatever. Anker. Anker, Anker. Anker Japan, Anker Japan. And here it is. And it comes, it's so neat how you can pull this out and use this. So neat, and it has multiple ports you can plug things in. Absolutely incredible. Incredible. And you get a case as well. Convenient. And no, just goes just like that. Incredible. It does not come with a charger, I think. It's good. I can use my other. I have another Anker one. I can just use that charger to charge it. Let me just throw this all on the ground for now. Okay, have this incredible power bank. And last but not least, the, I don't know his name, but he's insanely adorable, the little Pikachu. This is USB-C to USB-C. I got this from my DJI mic, so I can charge both my Osmo Pocket 3 camera and my DJI mic. Which DJI mic is USB-C to USB-C, by the way. So this is the perfect little charger. And it's 20 watts, which is perfect. I accidentally ripped it, of course. Can't do anything right. Not that I plan to return it or anything, but here he is. Think of your USB-C to USB-C. Has the cute little guy on the side, who's just so insanely adorable. And it has, I don't know exactly what this is called, you hold your charging cable. For now, I'm going to put it right here. Well, those are my goodies that I got from Yodobashi Akiba. Alright. I hope that you enjoyed. This is Yodobashi Akiba Anker goodies. Thank you for watching. If you did, I'm not very good at these unboxing videos yet. I am learning, but I am learning slowly. Thank you, Yodobashi Akiba. This will come in handy for my important event tomorrow. Thank you. I can't wait to use it, put it to use, and try it out properly for several hours and see what happens. I will tune in and let you guys know. Thank you for watching. Please follow, like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch. It's Be My Guest XO, BeMyGuestXO. Take care of yourself, guys. Eat good and be happy. Bye-bye. Bye.